Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to find all merged cells within a sheet. So your first step is to go to the Home tab on your ribbon, then over to the Find and Select button, and then go to Replace. Alternatively, you can use this shortcut key, Control-H. Now we need to specify a Find What format, so you do that by going over to this Format button, clicking on it. Then you need to go to the Alignment tab in this dialog box. And then down here where you've got text controls, you need to make sure that Merge Cells is ticked. Make sure also the other options are unticked. And then click on OK. Now click on the Find All button, and it's going to list all of the cells that are merged. So what you can do is select the first cell that it lists, then hold down Shift on your keyboard and select the last cell that it's listed. And that will select all of the merged cells in your sheet. Now, if you then want to unmerge them, what you can do, again on the Home tab of your ribbon, is go to this Merge Cells button, go to the drop down, and then choose Unmerge Cells. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.